In today's Tesla video, we are going to be taking a look at Sentry Mode Live. Now, if you're not a Tesla owner, you may not even know what Sentry Mode is. Sentry Mode is a feature that utilizes the car's exterior cameras to kind of act as a surveillance system for when you're not around the car. Previously, with Sentry Mode activated, you could have it activated, and then when you return to the car, you can see the footage on the screen, and then you can switch to the different cameras to see the different angles. But now Tesla gives you that functionality in the app. This first rolled out to iOS users about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I got it right away. Android users are now starting to get it. And so with the rollout of this feature coming to more and more Tesla owners, I thought I would do a little bit of a demo for you guys, just so that you can see how this will work on your vehicle. So right now I have the Tesla app open. We're currently in the security part of the app, which shows you Sentry Mode, Valet Mode, and Speed Limit Mode. Now, if you have Sentry Mode Live on your Tesla, you will see with Sentry Mode activated, right under that, it'll say View Live Camera. Now, keep in mind, I haven't been able to use this feature when connected to Wi-Fi, which is really weird. So you'll want to be on LTE or 5G in order to use this feature. But you simply just tap Sentry Mode Live, and in a few seconds here, it's a little bit slow, but we'll see, or at least we should see, the cameras. So as you can see, the lights blinked in the front, and as you can see on the screen here, we have 4 different angles to choose from. Right now, we're looking through the dash camera here, so you can see my hand sticking out there. And if I just tap these other dots, those act as the other angles. And the video footage isn't the best. As you can see, it's very pixelated and grainy, but you can still see details pretty well. You have 3 options along the bottom here if you have a Tesla that's 2019 and up, which I'll explain in a few minutes. But we have the honk option, so if I tap that, car will honk and it'll flash the lights. We have the flash option. There you go. If I press that, the lights will flash. And now if you have a 2019 and up Tesla, they have speakers actually on the outside of the car. So now you can use the microphone to literally say something to whoever's standing outside of your car. So let's do a little demo of that. Testing. Oh, you know why it's not working? Because I am on screen record. So let me turn that off real quick and we'll try that. So we're just gonna turn that off. Let's see. Hey YouTube, what's up?
Hey YouTube, what's up?
Get away from my car.
Get away from my car.
Kinda got cut off. Maybe I'm too close to it. Picking up the echo here. Let's go over here and try it again. Get away from my car.
Get away from my car.
Hello.
Hello.
So as you guys can see, it delivers like this low-pitched voice. So it's not like your actual voice, it just, you know, lowers the pitch. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to do a demo of this really awesome feature with the Tesla vehicles. Sentry Mode Live is super awesome. There's not a single car that's out there right now on this planet that has this feature, unless it's completely custom. From what I've gathered, there's no other car with this feature. And obviously in the future, we'll probably see more cars with similar features, but as always, Tesla is pioneering the way. They truly are the Apple of cars. That's how I kind of look at them. Elon Musk, amazing, and I just can't wait to see what other features I'm going to get with this car throughout the ownership of it. Teslas are constantly improving because of the software, and that's what makes them so worth it to me, is that you buy a car, but it gets better over time. That is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and also give the video a thumbs up. That way it ranks higher for me in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.